Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Breaking news, Asante Kotoko have reported the officials that officiated our game against King Faisal in Kumasi on Sunday. They have reported to the GFA to lodge a complaint about the officiating. It was horrible. You have to agree with me, it was horrible. I watched that game, I saw the offside, was like, after the first time I saw the offside, I said, no, that wasn't offside. The player was playing in fuego on. He scored the goal, the flag was raised. Then we saw the replay and we realized that wasn't an offside. You know, the most annoying part was that the Star Times commentator said it was close. It wasn't close, as you can see on the screen. It wasn't close. It was not close, but the Star Times commentator said yes, it was close. I think the game might have gone either way if some decisions were not taken and if some decisions were taken. So that officiating is a disgrace. I know the Ghana Premier League referees, they are not that good, but it's getting worse and worse every day. Last season was a disaster. It has continued into this season. I think the first batch of verdict has been released and a lot of referees were suspended. Now Kotoko have lodged a complaint and it will take about 2 or 3 weeks for the GFA to release a verdict on the complaints and other complaints that have been lodged in this game week. I think a lot of clubs have lodged complaints against referees. Every time this is what happens, every time this is what happens. I think our refereeing is bad. It's very, very bad. Seriously, our refereeing is very bad. I think it's going to take time for referees to improve and be one of the best in the continent, because if you look at it, it's only few, if one, not one, I think it's like 1 or 2 of our referees that have the opportunity or are given the opportunity to officiate games outside Ghana, because they don't believe in their competency. They don't think they are competent enough to go outside the country and officiate a game. I think the officiating was bad. The GFA will have to step up and increase their training, the referee training, because I don't think it's getting better. It's getting worse and worse by the day. How would you give a penalty? The referee gave a penalty. Me personally, I didn't see any penalty there. So when he gave it, I was surprised. So if you give a penalty and realize you make a mistake, how did you realize you make a mistake? The linesman said he didn't see anything. Who did you contact? Was it the fourth official? Is there a new VAR in the Ghana Premier League that we don't know about? Is it the fourth official that told you that it's not the penalty that made you change your mind? Because if you were very sure it was a penalty, you pointed to the spot, Abdul Ghani picked the ball and put it on the spot there to play, and you told him that it's not a penalty. How did you make that decision? Did you explain to them how you made that decision? You did not. How would you do that? Do we have VAR in the Ghana Premier League? No. So I think Kotoko are very, very right to report or lodge a complaint against those officials to the GFA, because I know it won't bring back the 3 points, but they deserve to be punished. Seriously, they deserve to be punished, because I don't think we can continue like this. Officiating in Ghana Premier League is at an all-time low, and I think it's up to us to speak against it, because we can't deal with this mediocrity in the league. So I think Kotoko are right to complain. I would like to know your thoughts. Do you think Kotoko are right to lodge a complaint to the Ghana FA? Give me your thoughts, put that in the comments section and tell me what you think. If you haven't subscribed, please do that right now and hit that notification bell. Till next time, guys, goodbye.